Apple has announced its largest ever US investment, pledging over $500 billion in the next 4 years to boost AI, silicon engineering, and advanced manufacturing in the US. In an official Apple blog post, CEO Tim Cook emphasized Apple's commitment to American innovation. Now, why this move? The move follows Trump's claim that Tim Cook promised to shift manufacturing from Mexico to the US to avoid tariffs. This, along with Apple's new investment, comes as Trump threatens tariffs that could raise iPhone prices. So, what exactly is Apple planning? The tech giant will work with Foxconn and create a 250,000 square feet new Houston manufacturing facility that will produce servers to power Apple Intelligence and its suite of AI features. As per Apple, it will create thousands of jobs and will open in 2026. Apple is also doubling its advanced manufacturing fund directed towards the US, expanding from $5 billion to $10 billion with major investments in TSMC's Arizona fab for Apple Silicon. R&D expansion. Apple plans to hire 20,000 people focusing on AI, software, and custom silicon. Apple will also open a manufacturing academy in Michigan, Detroit, where its engineers, along with local university staff, will offer free courses for small and mid-sized manufacturing firms in areas such as project management and manufacturing process optimization. Apple's investments span all 50 states, supporting 2.9 million jobs through suppliers, R&D, and Apple TV Plus productions. With the $19 billion tax contribution in 2024, Apple remains one of America's largest taxpayers. While CEO Tim Cook calls it Apple's largest ever spend commitment, analysts say that it's more about navigating trade pressures than a major shift from China. Even though Apple is expanding chip production and AI infra in the US, most iPhone assembly still takes place in China and India. Analysts say there's no sign of a large-scale shift in device production away from these countries. Not only Apple, but Zuckerberg's Meta also announced a $65 billion AI infra investment for 2025, which includes plans for a massive 2 gigawatt data center. This announcement by Apple is similar to one Apple made in early 2018 during the first Trump administration that promised to create 20,000 new jobs as part of a $350 billion spend in the US. Trump was also mulling a tariff then that could have affected iPhones at the time, but he did not end up targeting those devices during his first administration. The announcement pushed Apple shares up by 1.2%. Donald Trump, in a Truth Social post, thanked Apple and Cook, saying the move reflected the company's faith in his administration. Well, that's all for today. Stay tuned to ET for more.